Hello guys, so in this video we are going to create a new Facebook account. So let's start. I have just created a new Gmail ID for this YouTube channel. So let's search Facebook and click on the first link. Here it is asking for ID password, but we are creating a new account. So I'm giving my name here and full name, my date of birth, okay, my gender, my mobile number, and a new password. Okay, so choose your own and click on sign up. Okay, so now I need to put the verification code which I received on my mobile. So it's 39822 39822. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so you have successfully confirmed your account with phone number and will use this number to log in. Okay, so again click on continue. Missing email address, close this one. Update contact info, give your email ID. For me it's like forever. Okay, so I have given my email ID. Now it is asking you to add some friends here, so you can add any of your friend. If you don't have any, just click on next, and here your account is now created, a new account. Now you can simply add your profile picture, add your other details in your profile. Okay, so this is it in this video. Now I'll make a new video on how to update your profile and similar kind of topics. So stay tuned, subscribe my channel, and I continuously post videos related to Facebook ads, Google ads, and programmatic ads. I am an expert. I have total 9 years of experience in this field, so you can rely on my knowledge. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and show your support and love. Thank you so much.